Millions of people use Tor every day, believing it makes them invisible online. Some of them are right, some of them are in prison. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one you'd be and why. Tor stands for the onion router. When you use Tor, your internet traffic doesn't go directly to a website. Instead, it bounces through 3 separate servers around the world called relays, each one knowing only the step before and after it. Nobody in the chain sees the full picture. That's the design. Tor was originally built by the US Navy for secure communications. Today, it's used by journalists in countries where the press is censored, activists who face government surveillance, and everyday people who just don't want corporations tracking every click they make. Here's the clever part, and why it's called onion routing. Before your data leaves your device, it's wrapped in 3 layers of encryption, like an onion. The entry node peels the first layer. It sees you, but not your destination. The middle node peels the second. It sees nothing useful. The exit node peels the last layer. It sees the destination, but has no idea who sent the request. That separation is what makes Tor powerful. So if the design is this solid, why are people still getting caught? This is where most explanations stop. We're not going to stop here. Tor protects your network traffic. It does not protect you from yourself. Mistake number 1, logging into a personal account while using Tor. The moment you do that, your identity is attached to your session. Done. Mistake number 2, visiting HTTP sites, not HTTPS. The exit node can read unencrypted traffic in plain text. And mistake number 3, leaving JavaScript enabled. JavaScript can reveal your real IP address and device details even through Tor. The tool works. The human using it is usually where things go wrong. So, is Tor safe? Yes. If you understand what it protects and what it doesn't, it hides your connection. It does not hide your behavior. Use it with HTTPS sites, never log into personal accounts, and disable JavaScript in the Tor browser security settings. Do those 3 things, and Tor is one of the most powerful privacy tools available to anyone, for free. Every week on CyberFact, we break down how real threats work and exactly how to protect yourself. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Stay aware, stay secure.